AI feels invisible. You type a question, wait a second, and an answer appears. But that answer did not come from magic. It came from machines, real machines, inside real buildings using real electricity. The cloud is not floating in the sky. The cloud is plugged into the wall. Every AI answer begins with power. Before AI can think, thousands of computer chips need to wake up. These chips are called GPUs. They are extremely good at doing many small calculations at the same time. A normal computer may handle one task. A GPU handles many tasks in parallel. That is why AI systems use them, not because they are magical, but because they are fast at repeating math. When you ask AI a question, your words are turned into numbers. The machine does not understand words like a human. It processes patterns. Those numbers move through layers of calculations. Each layer changes the numbers a little bit. After enough layers, the system predicts what should come next. That prediction may look like intelligence, but underneath, it is electricity moving through circuits. And when electricity moves through chips, it creates heat. Heat is the enemy of every data center. If the chips get too hot, they slow down, fail, or shut off. So the second hidden machine behind AI is cooling. Some data centers use cold air, some use liquid cooling, some use both. This is the part most people never think about. AI is software, yes, but that software needs hardware, and hardware needs electricity, cooling, space, cables, backup power, and maintenance. A single AI answer may feel weightless, but behind it is a physical chain of machines. That is the real story of artificial intelligence. Not a ghost in the machine. A machine behind the machine. So the next time someone says AI lives in the cloud, remember this. The cloud has walls. The cloud has wires. The cloud has a power bill. And without electricity, cooling, and chips, AI does not think. It disappears. That is the hidden machine behind artificial intelligence. If you want more hidden machine breakdowns, subscribe. Next, should I explain data center cooling, giant batteries, or how the electric grid works?